Hello, this is Randall Root again, and this video is about exercise 3.2. In this exercise, you're going to start reviewing documentation that we've provided that kind of outlines the process of the BI solution you're going to make. These documents are based on ones I've used in real life, and while they're not everything they could ever hope to be, they'll give you a pretty good idea about what standard documentation might look like. There are two pieces of documentation. One is the kind of project manager style document. That is the Word docsy file, Microsoft Office Word doc. And then there's an Excel spreadsheet. An Excel spreadsheet is kind of what the Cliff Notes version is. The idea behind this is it's more for developer documentation. In real life, what kind of happens is that the management team would often like a more formal documentation, much like the Word doc. And the fact is, it's nice because you can give it to your customers, etc. when you're done with the solution as a whole. It's all nice, it's documented, it's formatted pretty, etc. But I gotta tell you, most of the actual developers aren't real jazzed about having to work with that level of detail. Instead, they want something a little bit more practical, and that's where the Excel spreadsheet comes in. And often you work with these two types of documents in tandem. So your job in exercise 2 is to go through and locate the documents, create a place for the documents to be. So basically, we're going to copy the documentation into a folder that's specifically made for our new solution we're trying to make for publication industries. And once it's been reviewed and copied over, you're kind of ready to go through and add it to a Visual Studio solution. Very similar to what happened in Chapter 2. So again, there's not a whole lot to do in this particular exercise. It's just kind of getting an idea of what the files would look like by reviewing them and placing them in a location where we can use them for exercise 3.